everyone, I am Dr. Lavi Sindhu, Senior Fertility and IVF Specialist at Birla Fertility, Lajpat Nagar. I am having more than 13 years of experience in managing infertility cases. We at Birla Fertility have an experienced team of clinicians and embryologists, and we have a continuous success rate of more than 75%. We especially deal with male and female infertility cases like the surgical sperm retrieval techniques for male, TESA, PESA, micro-TESA, etc. For the females, all kind of complicated cases like recurrent IVF failure, recurrent implantation failure, thin endometrium, elderly patients with poor ovarian reserve are dealt with very carefully with experienced team and a carefully planned protocols. So in case you are willing for any kind of a fertility treatment, you can contact at the given number and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.